Story arts is a opportunity to, expand your writing and learning. It not only can just be writing, we've done photography and, it's just a creative way to grow. It's very cool. We do it once a week.
It's a way that we can creatively storytell to other people. We do it through writing essays, through filming movies, through doing short films, through several different ways that we're able to creatively present something to someone else.
I think my favorite one that I've ever done, we did a screenplay one and we all wrote pretty interesting screenplays. Somebody wrote one about Taylor Swift and another person wrote about sci-fi, so it was pretty interesting.
My favorite story arts has been, we made a music video last year and me and a bunch of my friends here made a super cool one and it was a lot of fun.
I mean, personally, I liked photography story arts. I thought that was very cool. It's something different that we haven't done before. We got to go out, to Trilith, walk around and do our own photography.
We've done everything from videos to essays to written stories to screenplays. And now we've got experts, which is a new thing, and that's pretty cool as well.